Understanding the fundamentals is an important step to building your credit. Your credit profile plays a vital role in whether you qualify for a mortgage, an auto loan, and can even come up when submitting a rental application. Here are 3 simple ways to establish first-time credit or to help rebuild your credit history. 1. Become an authorized user. If a parent, family member, or even a friend who has good credit and are willing, they can add you to their existing credit card as an authorized user. Being an authorized user, you'll automatically benefit from the primary account holder's credit history, instantly giving you a head start on your own credit profile. 2. Get your own credit card. You can try applying for a credit card. Depending on the issuer, you may still qualify for a credit card even with a lack of credit history. Keep in mind, because of this, your credit limit may be low to start and come with a high interest rate. Making payments on time and being responsible with usage will positively impact your credit profile over time. 3. Get a secured credit card. If you find you don't qualify for a traditional credit card, you can open a secured credit card, which is offered by most banks. A secured credit card works the same way, except the difference is you will need to make an initial deposit when you open the card. That way the bank is covered if you end up not paying your bill. With responsible usage, it could help you transition to a traditional credit card. Remember, building a good credit history takes time. Always pay your bills on time and keep your debt low. Every time you use credit responsibly, you move another step forward on the path of financial success. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.